Did you know that Credit Karma doesn't actually give you an accurate credit score? In this video, I'm going to show you why you should never get a Credit Karma report and how to get an accurate credit report in less than 5 minutes. I'm Aazim Sharp, creator and founder of Leaf Credit Solutions and the author of The Ultimate Credit Repair Guide. I remember getting a call from a woman and I could tell something was bothering her. She told me she was desperate and needed help with her credit so she could get a car. Her car had broke down, the transmission was no good. She tried to purchase a car but was denied for a loan. As a single mom of 2 children, she was distraught. She wasn't in a financial position to buy a car for all cash, so she felt stuck and thought she'd have to rely on friends, family, and also public transportation for a while. She was under the assumption that her credit was much better than it actually was. She had been using a free credit report from Credit Karma, which does not include an Experian report or score. So she had no idea that there were 4 collection accounts on her Experian report and that her Experian score was a 527. The good news is that we were able to get an accurate credit report, help fix her credit within 2 months, and she was able to get a car for herself and for her children. This was a big weight off of her. So the pro to using a free service like Credit Karma is that it's free, but in most cases, if you invest nothing, you get nothing. I'm sure you've heard that term before. So Credit Karma offers free Equifax and TransUnion credit reports and scores with credit monitoring to consumers, and they earn their revenue from lenders who pay them for recommending their services. In 2016, Credit Karma made over $500 million through its free credit and financial services. So one of the biggest mistakes I see people make with getting their credit report is getting it from the wrong source. Just because it's free or really cheap doesn't mean you should do it. Credit Karma doesn't use FICO scores and they don't give you all 3 reports and scores. So when you try to purchase a home, a car, apply for a business loan, or get a job, you're blindsided like my client was, and you can't get the things you want and need. For an accurate credit report and true FICO scores, the ones the lenders use myfico.com. You can always cancel after you get your report if you choose not to make a monthly investment and keep it long term. So you have that right. A lot of people, they cancel it after they get a copy of their credit report. If you want to know your actual credit score and ways to improve your credit so you can buy a car, a home, or get the loan you need to live your best life, just go to the link to schedule an appointment with me.